I've created 16 plus different streams of income using this exact blueprint. And I want to share that with you today. But I want to encourage you because I know a lot of you are sitting there thinking, gosh, that sounds awesome. I wish I could do that. I have no idea where to start. Where I'm going to tell you, if I did not have these different streams of income, I don't know what I'd be doing. It has allowed me to be able to stay at home with my family. I have a 2.5-year-old son. He'll be 3 in April. And it's just such a blessing to be able to be here and knowing that if one of those streams goes away, I have others that can pick up the slack, and it's not going to be a big deal. And I want that for every single one of you. And guys, I'm here to tell you and to encourage you that it is so very possible. I see people all the time, students of mine, that are taking things that they're passionate about, things that they're knowledgeable about, and turning it into income. And it doesn't have to be something that you're passionate about. It's great if it is, but don't let that stop you from moving forward. Find something, find a need, find people to serve, and then the money will come. So that's a big tip right there. Find people that need what you have, serve them, and the money will find its way to you.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
Most of these side things that you're going to start aren't going to take hours and hours and hours. You can put in whatever the amount of time that you do have. Think about the time that you spend on social media. How much of that could you recoup if you just focused on that? So one tip we're going to get into is talking about community. Find those people that need what you have. So let's say that you are really interested in a certain topic. Say you love fishing and you feel like you're pretty good at it. You know some good places to fish around the country. You'd love to take that passion for fishing and turn that into an income. Well, one way to start doing that is just find community. Find people online. Go to Facebook groups that deal with that subject. Find fishing Facebook groups. Get involved. Start answering questions. Start providing value to that group. Once you start doing that, that's in being more intentional. Instead of scrolling through Facebook, your news feed or Instagram or whatever, be intentional with that time that you have, that you're kind of just relax and go through, find those communities, get involved in there, see what people need, see what questions they're asking. That'll give you ideas for products that you can create. If everybody is, there's a lot of folks stuck on one type of they're getting a hiccup on what type of lure to use in certain areas or whatever. And the answers to all these questions. Well, they give you an idea of, this is a product I could create. This is a book I could write. This is a course I could come out with. This is a product or service that people need because I'm seeing the questions that they have. You're able to listen to folks in community. So get involved in those communities that are dealing with the subject that you are passionate about or that you want to get into. And when you find those folks, listen to them. That's how valuable the community piece is. That's one good place to start, is if you have no idea what to do with that passion, that skill set, those things that you're knowledgeable about, just find people, other people that need that are interested in that same topic, and then get involved in those communities. And opportunity will present itself. You'll see where people are stuck and be able to find products and services that you can offer. Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.